Yeah, ni ando pinakatali mai. A very good morning from the Big Island in Hawaii. So I'm just here to take a short video about the Vuni Masi or the Masi plant. So I will do this posting in English for our English speakers, and then I will do another one in Fijian for our Fijian children. And in Bulavinaka, everyone from where you're logging in from. Bulavinaka Ndove, Merana Mila sa Yanrava Mataka, Neta. Bulavinaka, Dongana Kalasi na Mataka Nikua. That's going to Tombale. Bulavinaka, Paulini Tuima, Katonga. So this morning, I just thought I share this very special plant to many of us Fijians or even Polynesians or Melanesians or anyone from the Pacific. Bula, my sister Susana Kilioni, Bulavinaka may Aotearoa. Yeah, good morning. So I'm just taking a walk in this very beautiful day or very good beautiful morning. So I'm just sharing this beautiful view. Bula Bula Paulini. So I'm here on the Big Island. So it's a beautiful morning. It's only, 7 o'clock? And I'm here in my usual place of learning. So over there at the back is the Imiloa research station. So it's got a beautiful roof. This is a very beautiful institute here at the University of Hawaii-Hilo where we study astronomy. Yeah, so I will just take a walk around the campus here. And this garden is called the Pi'ilani Garden. Yeah, Pi'ilani Garden, such a beautiful garden. It's one of my favorite here on campus. And I'll take a short walk so you can see Mauna Kea. Yeah, yes, it is beautiful, Paulini. Andravnaka Eva, Rokotina. It's a beautiful morning. Andravnaka Mafi, na head boy ni nangu kalasi. Bulavinaka nakavalevu na nambu. Osana wada kinachiko. Yeah. So I'm standing here on Imilo, and I don't know whether you can see. It's a little bit far. Andravnaka Tomasin Basilao nangu tau. See, right there where my finger is at the back, that's Mauna Kea. Okay, so that's the tallest mountain in the world. Bulavinaka Ruben Matalomani. So it's quite far, and right at the top there, you can see the astronomy domes. Yeah, astronomy domes. Yeah, Tau. So I'm just taking a walk on this beautiful morning. So this is the Imiloa research station, and it specializes in the study of the skies. So obviously you can't see any stars or moon because they've just set. So this is just a beautiful morning, crisp and warm as we're going towards summer. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you enjoy that. So that's so if you can see, following my finger, see there's one dome of this building and there's another one over there. So these two domes, they reflect the two mountains. So this is Mauna Loa, well, depicting Mauna Loa, and that one over there depicts Mauna Kea. But the actual mountain itself is right there at the back, the real mountain, see? Over there. It's far, far away, but it's just like an hour drive to the base and then another hour and a half up to the top. Yeah. It's a beautiful, beautiful campus. One thing I like about this campus, it reminds me of USP in Suva, as well as the Emalus campus, that they keep the natural surroundings. You know, they don't cut the trees, they don't cut the Vuni. So for the young ones watching, I will show you some plants that maybe mom and dad can show you some of these trees. Yeah. Those of you from the west, from my tauvu in Visese in Vunda, this tree is the tree of life. It is the tree of life, yeah. So you can see there the vunuto, yeah, vunikulu, yandra kara, yandra vinakasera. Yeah, so it's a beautiful, beautiful campus, and they keep all these vunikulu, yeah, vunikulu. So this is the totokana kulu, yeah, yeah, the kesanda bola kutuni matin da kanyanga da sambula. Yeah, yeah, so that's a little bit about the Vunikulu, my favorite tree. I always walk past and say good morning to the Vunikulu. Okay, so the Hawaiians, they also look after these special trees and plants, Vunindobu. Yeah, they call it the ko, K-O. The core plants, eh? Yeah. Yeah, so it's really nice to see that the Hawaiians, you know, they're trying to keep as much of their natural surroundings instead of letting it be taken over by developers. So these kind of parks, they form like a sanctuary, eh? A sanctuary where they keep. And I'm sure for those of us from Fiji, yeah, you'll find these a lot. So these are the Webakaviti too. Yeah, these are the types of ferns that you can also use on a Webakaviti if you're not feeling well, particularly for women. So the ferns tend to be a lot of the Webakaviti for women, for a lot of our ailments. Okay, so now let's go to the actual reason why I did this video. I don't know, many of you have seen the Masi, yeah? The printed Masi. But this is the Vuni Masi. This is what the Vuni Masi looks like. Yeah, this is just a small version of it. Actually, the tree can even grow up to about 10 meters high. Yeah, so this is a close-up of the leaf. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, yeah, they look so beautiful, and it's very fluffy. Very, very fluffy. So that's the back of the Vuni Masi. Yeah, the mulberry tree. Yeah, so yeah, I will do this in English, in the Kandavu dialect, and then I will do a Fijian version. I've been asked by my cultural advisor to speak in Fijian, but I'm thinking of my English-speaking audience, so I'll do the English one first, and then I will do a Bakaviti one. Yeah, I'm going to beautiful, eh? Yeah. So these are the beautiful trees here, and I'll show you the name in Polynesian. So there you go. Yeah, Polini, you can Google it, Viola. Yeah, you can look at that's the Polynesian name, Wauke. And that's the scientific name over there. Brucentia papyrifera. Yeah, so you can see the word paper here, there itself. So that shows that that's where you can make paper out of. Yeah, papyrifera. So very interesting. When I did some research on the Masi plant, I found out that this is also used by the Japanese and the Koreans. Yeah, so those of you who are in Japan, Master Le, I think he's still sleeping right now. Yeah, and I just found the flower. Actually, here in Hawaii, it actually flowers at this time. So I'll show you the flower there. Can you see? Yeah, can you see there, Paulini? Viola? So this is the time for the flowering of the Vuni Masi. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm sure our cousins from Morde Island and our Tauvu from Vatulele, they'll be very happy to see this. So that's how high the tree is. It's gone right up. Well, I'm actually short, but never mind. But it's much taller. Yeah. This is just an example of it. I've been to a paper mulberry farm in Waimea, and it's really, really tall. So that's what I found out from the research that I've done. Yeah, so there you go. So I'll just take a walk around the plant, the tree. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? Yeah, so good morning to everyone logging in. Bulavinaka mere salambamba. Yeah, it is a gorgeous plant. So I hope that, yeah, I'm used to speaking in Fijian. So as I said, I'm just doing this short video in the Kandavu dialect. So my tauhu, I'll just speak in the Wasapa Kandavu, and then I will switch into Fijian. Ando vina katau, dolo vina. Ni takindo bulan vina kachuku may viti, may nandi. So just sharing this beautiful plant. Ando mere salambamba. Oh, ndo vina kumengilandi. Yeah. Hope that you are enjoying this short video. I just want to share this beautiful plant, Vuni Masi. Many of us, we just see the end result of the masi, but we don't actually see the actual plant. So this is what the actual plant looks like, and it's really nice. The Hawaiians are bringing it back, the art of tapa making. Yeah, so hopefully that we can all learn something today, and I will post up this video on YouTube. Yeah. So every morning I walk past this place, I always think of our grandmothers in Fiji. So this is like my reflection garden. So it's a wonderful time to reflect on, our grandmothers who made this beautiful, beautiful masi and ngatu wakaviti from this very simple, skinny looking plant actually. So it's very, very skinny and very small, but it does wonders, right? Yeah, so levuna masi that we can make out of it. Yeah. So there you go. Kona Vuni Masi. Yeah. Yeah, Vinaka Isabella. Yeah, so that's a close-up of the leaf, and it's very papery and very fluffy. So the leaves and the plant, the actual plant. So remember, for the masi, it's actually the inner bark. So that's the outer bark of the masi, but it's the inner bark that is used for the masi. Yeah, so it's a lot of work behind the scene. Neandra te mode, andra vinakanaita. This will be really good for your te viti project, Yeah. So we have lots of Vuni Masi. Yandra anananga around here. So I'm sure you and Anna, because you live in the States, I think I've also noticed some places in the United States where they cultivate this plant too. I'll try to load up the name of the plant, the name of the cities. Maybe they might be growing in herbariums. Yeah. So there you go. So this is the Vuni Masi. And Andasaki. And Relina. Yeah. So there you go. If you have any questions, you can just ask me. So this is the Vuni Masi. It kind of looks like the Vuni Vau, Navau. But they have different color of flower. So this the flower of the masi is Seninao, and the Senivau is Romon. Yeah, Sakongaya. I will try and do a quick video after this in Fijian, so that it's for our Fijian speaking children. Yeah, Vinaka. So there you go. So that's my my morning update from Hilo. Yeah. Bulan tirai. Bula chasese mai lulu seriana. Bula vinaka. Wala tek chukanin ko na Vuni Masi. Te chukumina neto korubuli. At the University of Hawaii. May bartak chukili wirto kim doon kay murima ni rere indol siya ni reida. Au sanga me reida chuko ni chuko na sena. Awada ka chuko na kena wandindiki. Au ngai reida ni tukuni ni setalanga na Vuni Masi. Wa sa chiao. Go. Tok go na sena. Tok gori. Yeah, nagirida na kena kaulele tok nga. It's so tiny and skinny, and then you can make lots of things out of it, especially na ngatu, na masi kesa, Iya. Nakavalevo quando na kena sambolo lelenga. Kena sambolo lelenga. Reda na kena duinduingo. And then you compare it with gonna Vuni Masi. Iya. And then I'll switch across. Gando reda na Vuni Vau, Ito gonna Vau. Ito na Vau, tong gonna sena, sena nango. Orto na sana milau na to rock na manrom, orto do kachikorto na seni Vau. That's the yellow, Verto na we kanta to milau. Iya. So that's my short video on the Masi this morning. Before I switch back into the Wasawakaviti language. So Taukara Wasatiao, I'll just switch off now and then I'll start again for the Wasawakaviti. Vinakavalevo. And Anita Rosie. So you can watch the short video in English. Or aka Kandavu dialect, and then I'll switch back to the Wasawakavunda after this. Naka, no more to talk.